Hello, I wanted to go over some of the basic features of OneNote. So when you go to your OneNote account, and hopefully you have it pinned to your taskbar so that it's easy for you to access, this is what the desktop version of OneNote looks like. So if you wanted to find this version, you would simply search OneNote on your desktop and look for OneNote 2016. This is, of course, after you've already gone through the sign-in process on Schoology. Now, the way to think about OneNote is the same way that you would think about a physical binder that you would bring to your in-person classes. So with your physical binder, you would have dividers and you would have pages between those dividers. So you can think of the tabs at the top of this binder as the dividers. These dividers are broken into sections based off of different units that we will have in 8th grade science. Now, for most of you, it should have the numbers in the correct order. It should go from number 1, tech documents, all the way to number 8, biology keystone prep, which would be our last unit of the year. However, if your numbers are out of order, you can always drag and drop your tabs so that they are in the correct order, and it's easily organized for you that way. So for our first week, we'll want to be in the Tech Documents folder, and in this folder, you'll see a week 1 checklist. I'll try to always have a checklist for each week or each unit, and this will tell you what assignments are happening this week, where to locate them, and what the due date is. So the date posted, and then the date that it's due. The portion that you'll fill in would be to check the box once your assignment is complete and say I finished this on 8/31, just like the due date asks me. And I think I did pretty well on this assignment. I get it. I don't need any extra help. Okay? But say that I did need some extra help. I wasn't successful at creating my online account. Then I would be able to select the I'm very confused icon. And then that would allow me, as the teacher, to take a note of that, and I can reach out to you and offer some help and assistance with that assignment. So this is a great way to keep you on track and also give myself feedback for anything that might not be going so well in this course. So like I said, these are the dividers of the notebook. And then on the right-hand side where it says pages, these would be the pages that are in between each divider. So if I go to periods 2, technology cheat sheet, now I do have this as a Google Doc in Schoology, but it's also in your OneNote so you can easily access this. This is custom for your class period. So it'll have your Zoom classroom link, your Edpuzzle link for this class, the Gizmos link for this class with the class code. Flipgrid is unique for your class, and then Pear Deck, that's something that I'll post as a Schoology assignment, and the code will be different each time. So this is just kind of a nice one-stop shop for what we're using technology for in this course. Now we may use a few other applications, but these would certainly be the main ones. So for this intro to OneNote, I just wanted to show you how it's organized. Your binders appear on the left-hand side. Your documents appear on the right-hand side. These are the pages that would be inside the dividers of your virtual binder. There's plenty of neat features that you can play around with. You can draw with your mouse. You can do ink to text, ink to math. Say I wanted to make a math binder and I didn't want to always find the square root sign. I can just use my cursor to draw that, and it makes a perfect square root of 4 for me. You can also use all of the same features that you would with Microsoft Word, and you can insert different things, equation symbols, stickers. You can add a video recording or a web link. So there are a lot of different features that we can play around with later. If you want to type something, the way that you would fill that in is, let me go back to my draw feature, select type again. You can click anywhere on the page and start typing, and then once you start typing, you can move that box wherever you would like it to go. So it's an easy way to fill in documents for any type of worksheet that I might post. I can also go in ink to text here. It looked like an A, so that one didn't work out too well. But you'll be able to fill in forms wherever just by using your cursor and making sure you're selected to the typing feature. Okay, so this is basics of OneNote, and we'll be using this throughout the year, so if you have any questions, please let me know.